jalapeno. Just going to right down the center again. So we're quartering this. That way I can get my blade in here on the side, and I don't even have to worry about getting rid of the base of the stem because it's going to come out with that. The reason I quartered this instead of having it is so that I'm able to get under everything without, if this were half like this, I would be, if it were like, come on, if it were like this, trying to get on there, well, it doesn't make any sense and I'd be crushing everything. Notice I come in and then I switch sides. Just let the blade go through without coming into your fingers at the very, very end. The pith can have quite a bit of spiciness and some bitterness. I don't mind spice. I just like it going in. That's all. And that's all I'll say. Let's do a Brunoise. So we're going to cut these 1/16 of an inch or so into a Julienne. If you're having a hard time getting through pepper skin, turn it inside out. Well, not inside out, but cut from the flesh side. It's going to be a little bit safer. If your knife is just not feeling up to par, you can do that. The other thing you can do is just kind of do more of a slice, where a lot of people will cut themselves with peppers and sometimes tomatoes, but peppers especially, is because they try and get through the skin and it doesn't just quite get in, and then your blade will turn in on you and there goes a finger. So if you are cutting up anything and you feel like you just need to hone or sharp your blade, but it's dirty, you don't feel like doing it right at that time, there would be my little tips. Get into a slice so you're pulling back, everything's out of the way, and when that slice starting at the top of the product, it's going to dig in almost from the side of the product, not just at the top of the skin. Or you can just turn it and do the flesh side. So now we're just going to box off and go into reposition, reposition. The reason I'm not sliding my fingers back is so I don't pull product with it. So we're going to slice, 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 up, back. Slice, 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 up and back. And there you have a jalapeno Brunoise.